Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to show you the difference between two different apps on iPhone. One of them is native iPhone app and second is Filmic Pro app. Because in one of my previous videos I was showing you a tutorial how you can improve your video using Filmic Pro app, especially if you use 10-bit lock-free profile. And I never compared to the original app because in my case I don't really use iPhone for high-end production, mostly for vlogging and blogging. But sometimes people can use iPhone to shoot a short commercial for social media, and that is completely fine. And for such cases, they might want to have a little bit more control over the camera, and applications like Filmic Pro actually gives you this possibility. They give you a little bit more control, they give you possibility to improve your videos and especially to improve it in post-production. So in today's video I just have few samples. I took them in different light conditions, in the morning, during the day and in the evening, so you can see the difference in each of them. So with no further ado, let's take a look. Those are the videos, and let me know if you can see any difference, and if you'd like to use external app such as Filmic Pro, which you need to pay for, or native iPhone app will be enough for you. Just one thing which I did not mention before is that I did not use any color correction, so there is no color grading involved. And I simply don't want to do that because with color grading you can actually tweak your video in much better way, but that is really subjective and everyone does it in a way he likes. So I just left it as it is for you to see, let's say, raw footage and compare what you get out of the camera. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.